Hi guys, this is your boy HR here. I hope everyone is doing good. So as anticipated, after so many years, like almost all 9 years and 57,000 kilometers later, I'm making this review about my bike, the Pulsar 220F, the special edition one, which has been launched in 2011 by Bajaj.
Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path from lonely.
As I can say, I have seen only few of them, like even I'm living in a city, I just saw 1 or 2 bikes, especially 220s, so with this color. So I can say it is pretty rare to see this color tone. So in 2011 they have released this bike as an tribute to the Pulsar range, as they have completed 10 years. So it is like almost all same as the other bikes, rather than the paint scheme. It's an dual tone color with an special edition color called metallic orange. So this comes with metallic orange color and black color, as you can see on the fenders, on the side cowls. Apart from that, the bike is pretty much same when you compare it with other 220s. And so this has done, especially my bike has done 57,000 kilometers. I heard so many reviews saying that Bajaj bikes are not reliable, but I'm not gonna agree with them, because I have used it for almost like 9 years, but I never faced any issues with this bike. So pretty much I don't have any issues with this bike, and it runs very well after 9 years also. So I have done so many top speed runs on this bike. It did not affect my bike at all, as I can say. And yeah, so this is an BS3 version. So when you compare this BS3 version with the newer models, so we have slight changes. So when it comes to this mid pipe, as you can see, it is little bigger than the newer versions. So it sounds little gruntier than the other bike. Apart from this change, everything is same, and I have kept this bike pretty much in stock condition, as you can see. So I haven't done any changes at all. So I just put some stickers here, as you can see, and there I just designed one of the logos, as you can see here. So the logo also like very old, it's like almost 6 years old. And apart from that, everything is same. I have just updated the back tire from 120 size to 130 size. So now it is giving better grip when it compares to the older tire. And yeah, it runs pretty good when I'm in a corner in a higher speeds. I'm feeling a little confident than before with this tire. Actually it is a radial tire which comes stock for R15 V2. So noticeable drop when it comes to the mileage as I updated this tire. And maintenance wise, I can say the maintenance is pretty low. You can easily maintain this bike. So the service cost will be around like 1500 to 2000 rupees if you do that in a city. I do with my regular mechanic who's Bajaj showroom itself. So it's slightly less costly when it comes to when I compare it to Bangalore and here. So my service cost comes around like 900 to 1000 rupees with the official Bajaj oil. So the pretty much I can say the maintenance is very low. And the best part about this bike, it has an punchy mid-range from which starts from 5000 rpm to up to 8000 to 9000 rpm. So it will reach 100 plus or 110 plus in no time. Notice that it goes up to 17 to 18 liters of fuel when you fill it up fully to the capacity. So it gives the mileage, and mileage depends upon how you ride and how you maintain your bike. Because I maintain my bike very well, it gives a good mileage for me. This is my bike. It's an 2011 and it has done 57,000 kilometers, and it's in pretty good shape, as you can see. So if you want to see how I maintain my bike this good, and so if you want to know all these things, just let me know in the comment section. So I'll make a separate video about that. So this is pretty much about my view, and I can say my review about this special edition Pulsar 220. I hope you guys like this.